after my latest DMEC corneal transplantation surgery, my claim was approved, but only 1/3 of it. Only a small portion of the surgery, the cataract surgery, was approved, and the DMEC surgery was not at all approved. That moment hit me harder than anesthesia. The anesthesia given for my DMEC surgery was a painless procedure. But what I am feeling now afterwards, all this paperwork and all, I am feeling so painful. That's the time when I realized buying insurance is an easy procedure, but buying the right insurance is an art. Even porting is also an art. We have to learn about it. We can't trust what others are saying. We have to learn. We have to when we are buying a mobile phone, we compare the brands and all softwares they are using and all. We are carefully observing and buying. But in the case of health insurance plans, we are not at all caring about it. We are not learning. We are not at all learning about all these book leaves, PDF files they are giving us. We are not learning about it. When a claim moment happens, then only we are starting to learn. I learned multiple lessons from this. First, when the agent is saying you have to buy this policy, you have to learn thoroughly about them. After learning only you have to buy. You have to compare with other insurance companies what they are doing after the operation, after this medical procedure and all. That also we have to learn. What all questions they are asking, what all documents are required, everything you have to ask. When we are joining, we don't have to submit that much documents. No. All these documents will be needed when you are reimbursing or cashless or something like so. Make it clear and everything in an official way. And also you have to check which all hospitals are having cashless network. Cashless, the stress will go to the hospital. They are having plenty of teams to work for that. But if it is a postpaid, all these stress moments will go to the customer. Understand? So we have to take the stresses and risks. We are unfamiliar about all these things. Understand? So check it is having cashless service in your area or not. And also you have to inquire, what about the modern surgeries? My surgery was a modern surgery like DMEC surgery, laser procedures. All these things are covered or not? See, I am struggling for that because my insurance company is not covering the DMEC surgery. This is the most latest advanced corneal transplantation surgery. But they are not covering it. You have to inquire about this. Make sure your policy covers a pre-existing and genetic conditions after the waiting period. Pre-existing conditions. Multiple persons are buying, and today itself, one of my friend told his father-in-law had a stroke, and also his colleague also had a heart attack. They are telling you are having this disease for the last two years. You hidden that, like that the company told. Actually, he never had such a disease. But he was not able to, this father-in-law rejected him not to submit for case and all. So it was rejected. Then they ported to the company where I am having, from their own experience only, I too ported to the latest company. There now I am experiencing a lot of troubles, a lot of procedural things and all now. One more thing you have to be careful is never ever lose a single prescription you are having with you. When you are going to a doctor will give you a prescription. You have to keep it that too. See, in the case of my DMEC surgery, the insurance team was asking for my old prescriptions. Fortunately, I got it from my research. one old prescription. Otherwise, they had rejected everything. Understand? So you have to keep it every time. Otherwise, you are inquire. If you don't have, you have to report it when you are taking this, and you have to say to them, I don't have any old prescription, what will be? I don't have any old disease. Everything you have to clarify while taking a policy. Otherwise, you will be in a trap when there come a needed state. So you have to be careful. And also, don't buy insurance for tax benefit only. Buy it for peace of mind. Okay? Thanks God, my eye healed beautifully and so did my perspectives. Now I am not just protecting my vision, I am protecting my future too with knowledge. Because in health and in insurance, awareness is the protection. You have to know, aware about what is your policy, how it is covering, what will happen, what all things are not. You have to learn. You have to utilize all these AI tools for studying about it. Okay?